Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our today's first idiom is pie in the sky. The meaning of this idiom is it refers to something that is lovely to consider, however, is probably not going to happen. Or else you can say a promise of paradise while enduring suffering in life. Or you can say false hope, illusion or delusion, or unrealizable dream. Something which is very lovely dream of you, but it is not likely to happen in the future or present. So there you can use pie in the sky. I hope the meaning is clear. Examples. Our first example is it's a pie in the sky to think about winning the race with this old car. Our second example is dreaming about to move to Canada and own a luxurious house. It's more like a pie in the sky. Our third example is he keeps talking about how he will move to Los Angeles to be a famous actor, but it's just pie in the sky if you ask me. And our last example is he can't help thinking it's all just pie in the sky talk. I hope all the four examples are clear to you. Please let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Our second new idiom is put one's hand to plow. The meaning of this idiom is to do a difficult task. I hope the meaning is clear. Examples. Our first example is we have spent a long time planning our business model and now it's time to put our hand to the plow. Our second example is my father loves his work. Even after retiring, he still puts his hand to the plow with various projects. Our third example, she needed a rest, but she had put her hand to the plow. And our last example is you should start working now. It's time to put your hand to the plow. Put your hand to the plow and get the job done. I hope all the four examples are clear to you. Please let me know your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more amazing and informative content. Also do follow me on Instagram by the same channel ID 1B Stars.